Namaste children, welcome to maths class. We will continue the lesson exponents and powers. Now we will recall what we have studied in previous class. We have studied about law of exponents, that is first law and second law. First law of exponent, it states that a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n, where a is any non-zero integer, m and n are whole numbers. It means what? If base is same, if it is multiplication, we can add the powers. If bases are same, we can add the powers if it is multiplication. And second law of exponent, it states that a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n, that we have studied. It means what? If bases are same and if it is division, we have to subtract the powers. We have solved a few problems also. Now we will study about third law of exponent, taking power of a power. We will discuss one example. Example 1, 2 cube whole square and 3 square whole raised to 4. First we will take 2 cube whole square. 2 cube whole square means what? 2 cube is multiplied 2 times with itself. Have you understood? 2 cube whole square is nothing but 2 cube into 2 cube. We have to multiply 2 cube 2 times with itself. 2 cube into 2 cube. 2 cube into 2 cube. According to first law of exponent, here bases are same, so we can add the powers. 2 raised to 3 plus 3. Base is same, 2, here is also 2, so we can add the powers. We can add the exponents. 2 raised to 3 plus 3, because a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n according to first law. So that is equal to 2 raised to the power of 3 plus 3 is 6. So I have written 2 raised to the power of 6. So 2 cube whole square is equal to 2 raised to 6. We know that 6 we can write it as product of 3 and 2. Do you agree with this? 6 we can write it as product of 3 and 2. Here what I have done, I have multiplied the powers in the given term. Here exponents are 3 and 2. I have multiplied 3 and 2. 2 raised to 3 into 2. So it means what? 2 cube whole square we can write it as 2 raised to the power of 3 into 2. So what we have to do? Taking power of a power, it means 2 cube whole square is equal to 2 raised to 3 into 2. We will take one more example, then it will be clear for you. 3 square whole raised to the power of 4. How to read this? 3 square whole raised to the power of 4. 3 square is multiplied 4 times with itself. 3 square into 3 square into 3 square into 3 square. So we have to simplify this. We can observe here bases are same. In all 4 terms base is 3. So if base is same, if it is multiplication, we have to add the powers. 3 raised to the power of 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. That is equal to 3 raised to, if we add all these 2's, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 8. So 3 raised to 8. So LHS we have taken 3 square whole raised to the power of 4, that is equal to 3 raised to 8. 8 we can write it as product of 2 and 4. Product of 2 and 4. Here 2 and 4 are exponents in the given term. In the given term they have given 3 square whole raised to the power of 4. So 3 square whole raised to the power of 4 is equal to 3 raised to the power of 2 into 4. We have to multiply these two powers, these two exponents. 3 raised to the power of 2 into 4. So observe these two examples. 2 cube whole square equal to 2 raised to the power of 3 into 2. 3 square whole raised to the power of 4 is equal to 3 raised to 2 into 4. So observe these two examples. We can generalize that a raised to m whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. Here a is any non-zero integer and m and n are whole numbers. So third law of exponent, it states that a raised to m whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. So power of a power is equal to product of those two exponents. A raised to m whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. So using this law, can you tell 7 square whole raised to the power of 10? Anybody can tell 7 square whole raised to the power of 10? Can you use this law here? It is exactly same as this law. 7 square whole raised to the power of 10. A raised to m whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. Here is also 7 square whole raised to 10 is equal to 7 raised to 2 into 10. We have to multiply these two exponents. 2 into 10. That is equal to 7 raised to 2 into 10 is 2 into 10 is 20. 7 raised to 20. So using third law of exponent, it is 7 raised to 20. Fourth point, multiplying powers with the same exponents. So how to multiply the powers with the same exponents? Let us take one example. Simplify 2 cube into 3 cube. Children, please observe these two terms. 2 cube into 3 cube. Here bases are different. But one thing we can observe here, that here exponents are same. Here is also 3, here is also 3. Here exponents are same exponents. So if it is the case, how to simplify? 2 cube into 3 cube is equal to, we have to expand this exponential form. 2 cube, we can expand that. 2 into 2 into 2 into, you write as it is. 3 cube, how can we expand 3 cube? 3 cube, we can write it as 3 into 3 into 3. 3 is multiplied 3 times with itself. That is equal to, we can, since here is multiplication, we can we can rearrange this. I will group it as 2 into 3. 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. Third group is 2 into 3. I have taken 2 from first term, that is multiplied with 3 in the second term. 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. So I have written like this. 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into 6 into 6. How can we write the exponential form? 6 into 6 into 6, we can write it as 6 cube. Because here 6 is multiplied 3 times with itself. 6 cube. We can observe that here 6 is product of the bases of the given terms. 6 is product of 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are bases of the given two terms. 2 cube into 3 cube is equal to 6 cube. So if exponents are same, we have to multiply the bases and keep the exponent as it is. We will take one more example. Example 2, a raised to 4 into b raised to 4. A raised to the power of 4 into b raised to the power of 4 is equal to, how to expand a raised to the power of 4? A into a into a into a. B raised to the power of 4, we can expand it as b into b into b into b. How we have written in the previous example, we have to write same thing, a into b. First take a into b into a into b into a into b into a into b. We have made groups like this, a into b into a into b into a into b into a into b. So here a into b is multiplied how many times with itself? 1, 2, 3, 4. So can we write it as a into b whole raised to the power of 4? Because here a into b is multiplied with itself 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have written it as a into b whole raised to the power of 4. If it is a into a into a into a, how can we write this? How can we write the exponential form? A raised to the power of 4. Similarly, in the place of a, here we have a into b. It is one term, a into b into a into b into a into b into a into b. We can write it as a into b whole raised to the power of 4. Therefore, a raised to 4 into b raised to 4 is equal to a into b. We can write it as ab. Do you agree with this? Here a, b are any non-zero integers. A into b we can write it as ab. Ab whole raised to the power of 4. So observe these two examples. 2 cube into 3 cube. We have written it as 2 3s are 6 cube. We have multiplied the bases and we have kept the exponent as it is. Similarly, in the example 2, a raised to the power of 4 into b raised to the power of 4 is equal to a into b. We have multiplied the bases a into b. Here exponent is same 4. We have kept the exponent as it is. So by these two examples we can generalize that a raised to m into b raised to m is equal to a into b whole raised to m. Here a and b are any non-zero integers and m is whole number. So according to fourth law of exponent, it states that a raised to the power of m into b raised to the power of m is equal to a into b, that is ab whole raised to m. So have you understood these two examples? I have taken these two examples and I have generalized this law, fourth law of exponent. We have to remember this, a raised to m into b raised to m is equal to a into b whole raised to m. So, students, can you tell 4 square into 2 square? It would be equal to 4 square into 2 square. Can we use fourth law of exponent here? Yes, 4 square into 2 square is equal to, it is in the form of a raised to m into b raised to n. Do you agree with this? A raised to m into b raised to m. Here bases are different. I have taken different bases and exponents are same. I have taken same exponent. If it is the case, a raised to m into b raised to m is a into b whole raised to m. Can we use this law here? Therefore, 4 square into 2 square is equal to product of the bases 4 into 2 whole raised to the power of m. M is here 2. Keep the exponent as it is. So 4 into 2 is 8. 8 raised to 2. 8 square is 64. We can write it in the exponential form or we can simplify this. 8 square is 64. Okay, so 4 square into 2 square is 8 square. I hope you have understood today's class. What we have studied in today's class? we have studied third law of exponent. It states that a raised to m whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. A is non-zero integer, m and n are whole numbers. And fourth law of exponent, it states that a raised to m into b raised to m is equal to a into b whole raised to m. If bases are different and exponents are same, we have to multiply the bases and keep the exponent as it is. Thank you.